Okay, so I was talking to the guy who owns this, and this is a true barn find that had sat for 47 years. They literally had to dig it out. All kinds of growth around it, and they do plan on restoring it. This is what a find. This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Going back original, they're going to do a frame off on it. Cool.
Barn find to end all barn finds. That is really something.
That's pretty cool. Makeshift barn.
Not going away. Mid-America is going into
Show some of these pictures.
Good bone? She used to work here.
All right, so I found the barn find to end all barn finds, and this is the owner. And I was just curious, where did you find it?
We found it over in Poseyville, Indiana, out in a makeshift barn.
Okay. And so, do you plan on restoring it?
Yes, we're going to do a complete frame-off restoration on it and go all back original.
Okay, all right. Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much for bringing it out. This is a real treat to see something like this, and I know it's getting a lot of attention, so I'll leave you to it. Thank you so much for interviewing.
All right, thank you.
Hey everyone, I wanted to give a big shout out and thank you to the owner for allowing me to film his car and have the opportunity to interview him. I really appreciate him bringing it out for everyone to see. He was getting bombarded with questions from several people, but everyone was nice enough to stand back and let me film. And he was just a really nice guy. It was a pleasure to talk with, and I wish him all the best with his project.